Okay, I got the Samsung refrigerator and it's not cooling. It's refrigerator and the freezer is off. So that's what it says off there. It's called demo mode. The reason why you have demo mode is they have it for the store displays. They put it on this mode, that way the compressor don't go on, evaporator don't go on, it saves energy. Sometimes this accidentally happens when you're cleaning it or the kids are messing with it. So the way you take it off is the two left buttons. Mine's energy saver and freezer. Just hold them down for 8 seconds. There it goes. It goes back into regular mode. So now, freezer side is 1 degree, 1 to 2 degrees. Refrigerator side is 37 degrees. That's how you do it. So pretty simple. Just the left two buttons up here. You hold down for 8 seconds and put it back in demo mode. 8 seconds. Push down for 8 seconds. It's back into demo mode. Now your refrigerator won't get cold. Freezer won't get cold. It'll stay hot. So, very simple fix. Here we go, let's put it back into regular mode. There it is. Very simple. Thanks for watching my tutorial.